Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin or standard rights and a running desktop session. Open Settings now and go straight to Personalization, then Taskbar. Once there, scan for Auto Hide, lock the Taskbar, and Taskbar alignment options so you know current state. Start by toggling Auto Hide off to force visibility. This immediately reveals whether the bar is present but hidden. Make sure to note whether you're in tablet mode or using multiple displays, because those change behavior and guide the next steps. You'll change settings and then refresh the shell. First, turn off any hiding options and unlock the taskbar. Adjust notification area icons so essential apps can pin. Once done, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and choose Restart. This reloads the taskbar without a reboot. If the taskbar reappears, pin apps or re-enable lock. If you use multiple monitors, make sure Show Taskbar on all displays matches your preference, because mismatches hide it on one screen. Now finalize settings. Pin apps you want, set alignment, and lock the taskbar so accidental moves don't hide it. If the taskbar still won't appear after restarting Explorer, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to repair corrupted system files. This often fixes shell issues. If that fails, try signing into a different user account to rule out profile corruption, and as a last resort reboot or create a new profile. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, Safe Mode or System Restore can isolate recent changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.